Megagametogenesis. The development of embryo sac or female gametophyte from haploid functional megaspore situated inside the nucellus of the ovule. The female gametophyte develops within the ovule and generally consists of 3 antipodal cells, 1 central cell, 2 synergids, and an egg cell. The female gametophyte is also known as the embryo sac or megagametocyte. Megagametogenesis involves 3 events: a series of mitosis without cytoplasm, followed by cellularization of nuclei, and then the cell differentiation. Depending upon the number of megaspore nuclei taking part in the development, the female gametophyte of angiosperm may be classified into 3 types, namely monosporic, bisporic, tetrasporic. Monosporic. In this, only one of the 4 megaspore take part in development of gametophyte. In bisporic, 2 megaspore nuclei take part in formation of embryo sac. In tetrasporic, all the 4 of them will take part in formation of embryo sac. Coming to monosporic. Here, only one functional megaspore nuclei is involved in development of the embryo sac. It is also known as polygonum type, where Strasburger gave first clear and well illustrated account of the development of monosporic type, that is 8 nuclei type in polygonum. Nearly 70% of the angiosperms show monosporic type of embryo sac development. It is also known as the normal type. In monosporic type, the first division of the functioning megaspore gives rise to 2 nuclei. After the first division has taken place, the 2 daughter nuclei move to the opposite poles, that is the micropylar region and the cellagil region. Most of the cytoplasm is aggregated around them and the rest forms a thin peripheral layer, the center being occupied by a large vacuole. The second division produces 1 pair of nuclei at the micropylar region and 1 pair at the cellagil region, and the third results in formation of 4 nuclei at the opposite polar region. The micropylar quarter differentiates into 3-celled egg apparatus and the cellagil quarter into a group of 3 antipodal cells, and 2 polar nuclei fuse to give rise to a secondary nuclei. The secondary nuclei. The micropylar region consists of 3 cells, out of which the central one is the egg surrounded by 2 synergids. Summary. The development of embryo sac from the haploid functional megaspore situated inside the nucellus of the ovule, and the female gametophyte of angiosperms can be classified into 3 types, namely monosporic, bisporic, tetrasporic. In case of monosporic, only one functional megaspore nuclei is involved in development of embryo sac. It is also known as polygonum type. Thank you.